The shoebill is a tall bird with a typical height range of 110 to 140 centimeters. The shoebill is also known as whale-headed stork, or shoe-billed stork. It is a very large stork-like bird.
Shoebills can be found in tropical East Africa in large swamps from South Sudan to Zambia. The shoebill is noted for its slow movements and tendency to stay still for long periods, resulting in descriptions of the species as statue-like.
Hi guys, welcome back to Topcore Uganda. Thank you so much for clicking. If you're new on this channel, welcome. We are all about Uganda. Subscribe and get notified for more content about Uganda.
Shoebills feed mostly on lungfish, tilapia, and water snakes.
Uganda is the easiest destination in Africa to find the shoebill, despite the fact that they are endangered. Uganda has about 1,000 shoebill stork birds found in the waterlogged tourist destinations. The shoebill is considered to be one of the 5 most desirable birds in Africa by bird watchers. They are docile with humans and show no threatening behavior.
We were able to observe the bird in its habitat at a close distance for 2 hours straight before it flew off. The breeding pair of shoebills vigorously defend the territory of 2 to 4 square kilometers from other shoebills.
The shoebills build the nests at the end of the wet season. During the dry season, shoebill eggs are developing, and in the beginning of the next wet season, they might hatch if conditions are favorable. Both parents engage in building the nests on a floating platform after clearing out an area of approximately 3 meters across.
Is noted for its slow movements and tendency to stay still for long periods, resulting in descriptions of the species as statue-like.
While hunting, the shoebill strides very slowly and it's frequently motionless. Unlike some other large waders, this species hunts entirely using vision, and it is not known to engage in tactile hunting.
Is considered to be one of the 5 most desirable birds in Africa by bird watchers. They are passive with humans and show no threatening behavior.
In Uganda, shoebills can be found in Mamamba and Makananga Swamp on Lake Victoria, Semuliki National Park, Lugogo Swamp in Nakasongola, Lake Albert Delta in Masijon Falls National Park, Ishasha Sector, Queen Elizabeth National Park on swamp around Lake Edward, and Lake Mburo National Park. If you're interested in shoebill tour around Uganda, specifically in Mamamba Swamp on Lake Victoria in Entebbe, reach out to mamambatours.com, and I've linked it down in the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.